Hello folks, welcome back to Boundless Adventures Behind Bars. This is a follow-up, or part 2 if you will, to the 2024 KTM 690 Enduro R mods and accessories. That was about 90 days ago that I posted that video. What I've done since is the Veridian Cruise, excellent accessory for the KTM 690. I can't imagine hitting the highways anymore without it. It just works fantastic, just like you would expect on a vehicle. Works great. Next thing I did was the Rade garage auxiliary fuel tank. It's 1.5 gallons. Works fantastic. Takes the place of the original air cleaner. So next thing I did was the Rade garage fairing kit. Not only does it look good, but it also does an excellent job of giving you some additional wind protection at the highway speeds. Also raises the factory instrument cluster up higher, so it's in your peripheral, not having to look down anymore to see what's going on. Same with the warning lights. Those are easy to see. Of course, gives you a bar for accessories, phone or navigation tablets. This is the T865X tablet. Waiting on a harness to finish up that. Let's see what, did the Acerbis Tube Gaiters, I think they're called, to protect the tube seals. Takamoto highly recommends these, and they talk very highly of them. Of course, Scott's steering dampener. The Rade Garage K5 fairing kit comes with bar risers and this top plate here that's a mounting point for the tower. Works for installing the Scott's steering dampener. It's just a simple bolt-on, literally 4 bolts. Works great, by the way. I had no idea what to expect, and oh my gosh, on the road I felt the difference right away. A lot more stable, especially at the higher speeds, and even off-road. If you hit a rock or something like that, before you were getting the impact in your hands and elbows and shoulders, and now this really just takes that right out of the equation. Anyway, the bike is kind of like where I envisioned the perfect adventure bike for me. I am waiting on some luggage, probably going to do the Reckless 40, and let's think, is there anything else after that? Maybe a tune. I'm still researching it. Don't know exactly which one to go with yet, but I'm narrowing it down. It's got plenty of power. I just want to increase the low end torque, because that's really what I do, is mostly low end anyway. I don't do single track, and I don't do any serious high speed off-road. I'm just hitting trails and double track and some twisties to get places, even straight roads. I don't mind. This bike is a pleasure to ride. I've done several things to minimize vibration. That's in my other video. So she's a dream. The auxiliary fuel tank obviously takes away the stress of having to find a gas station right away or carry any extra fuel. I got those, 1.5 liter, I think, bottles, but I just couldn't get them secured right. So now I don't even bother. I did 180 miles the other day and didn't even have to worry about looking for fuel. I had plenty left. So you know the routine: like, subscribe, share, and I'll be doing some more content for rides and anything else that I do to this bike. So stay tuned. Take care, folks. Appreciate you.